how to share content from a laptop PC to an HP Mini IP conferencing PC. Before starting, you should have already connected your HP G9 Mini conferencing PC to Ethernet, power, at least one display, and Poly TC10. Then, connect an HDMI cable to the yellow HDMI in port on the HP G9. Please note that an HDMI cable is not included with the kit. Connect the other end of the HDMI cable to your laptop PC. If your laptop does not have an HDMI port, you can use an HDMI to USB-C adapter or cable. Upon connection, your laptop will share content to any connected monitors. To stop sharing content, disconnect the HDMI cable. You may also choose to enable or disable the automatic screen sharing feature, accessible via the Microsoft Teams Room settings. When automatic sharing is enabled, your laptop's screen will be shared automatically in a meeting upon connection, until the Stop Sharing button is pressed via the Microsoft Teams app. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.